In this video, you will learn how to change your LLC address in Nebraska. Visit the Nebraska Secretary of State website. Go to the Nebraska Secretary of State business portal to access your LLC filing forms and even some guidelines. Choose the appropriate form. Select the Amendment of Articles of Organization form or Change of Residence Office, depending on whether you want to update the principal or registered office address. Fill out the form, provide your LLC's name, current address and new address details accurately. Review then confirm information. Double check all the details are correct to ensure there are no errors that could delay the processing. Submit the forms and pay the fees. File the forms online or by mail, then pay the required filing fee as per Nebraska's schedule. Update your other records. After approval, notify the IRS, bank and any other licensing agency of your LLC's new address to ensure seamless operations. Now you know how to change your LLC address in Nebraska. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.